Could you explain why a veil parda is not observed during the Hajj ceremony?
Parda is not observed?
Veil parda, the facial.
Yes, I know. But first, could you explain that why is it that only you put questions and no other lady does? You are the only lady there with a fertile brain, and you put very interesting questions. They are most welcome. Now, the question is that the atmosphere of Hajj is different from ordinary atmosphere in life. When there is a panic, when there are accidents, when there are fires and emotions are agitated in a certain direction, parda automatically goes. Nobody can ever think of parda. People go out even without a head cover and sometimes without shoes. So why? Because the whole emotions of man or woman are directed in a certain way, so that one cannot think of passions and personal involvements on the sexual side. It's impossible to conceive of such a situation and people looking at each other with bad intentions. Now, this is exactly the philosophy why there is no parda in Hajj. It is understood that Hajj is the most deepest experience of man, which emotional experience vis-a-vis his relations to Allah. The expression of love is highlighted, as Muslim has explained. Even men don't wear normal clothes. They wear just what you call sheet. They wear a sheet unsewn and untailored, and they don't wear any shoes, and they don't wear any headdresses. Why? Because when you are mad in love, you behave like that. So Hazrat Masih has written on this in detail and tells us that the Hajj is the height of human relationship with Allah, the miraj, and there love is predominant, not form. So all the expressions given by the actions of the Haji are those denoting love. This is why there is no question of any parda for ladies. People who are deeply involved in their emotions for Allah and highly agitated, they cannot think of looking at ladies' faces and be misled and be misdirected in their emotions.